Hey guys, welcome back. This week's cleaning is a continuation from last week. So as I showed you in the end of last week's video, I wanted to do my daughter's room and the kids' bathroom. It's a complete disaster. So we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning and just tidying up. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with getting the laundry going. This is 2 weeks worth of laundry, so there's a lot to do here. And I love to use, this is the Tide Free and Clear, and then I just mix in a little bit of the fragrance booster. It is the Vanilla Cashmere. It smells so good. I'll link it down below. I can't remember the exact name, but so I like to get the laundry started and then I come back and continue on with the cleaning. So I'm going to work left to right today. It's just going to be a little bit easier. So tackling one section at a time, clearing anything off, putting it away, whether it's garbage or it needs to be decluttered or whatnot. And I have to do a lot of dusting today. Wait until I show you some of these surfaces. Because they are white, they just pick up so much dust. So I like to use, this is just like regular multi-surface cleaner, but you can see, look at how dusty that is. It just gets gross so fast. It's really hard to keep up with. I just can't be in here dusting weekly. So I get it done as often as I can. And I try not to stress about it too much anymore. This is just a multi-surface cleaner, glass cleaner by Method. It is great. It smells good too. Highly recommend it. And I like using, these are microfiber, almost like paper towels. They just rip off and then you can rewash them. And just make sure you wash them on delicate and they work just as good. I picked up these storage baskets on Amazon when we needed a little bit of a better solution for different things. She has a lot of just like toys, bracelet kits, just knickknacks and stuff. So it tends to get cluttered very fast. So I'm just going through and tossing anything that she's no longer using. A lot of this stuff is just like broken random stuff that I don't even think she knows that she has anymore. So it's always good to go through these baskets and really just get rid of anything that she's not using and make room for the stuff that's just laying around. And I also need to make space in the corner. I'll show you here in a minute, but this is the rug that I had under her desk, but she's getting a new piece of furniture that is a desk and it has just more storage, more space for her stuff. It'll be a better fit. So I just need to free up that area and really remove anything that doesn't need to be there so that when we get that new piece of furniture in, it's going right here. It can fit and we have a fresh start. And I don't understand the amount of crap that just accumulates here. I don't understand. I feel like I'm constantly in here cleaning things up and there's just water bottles and random things collecting. I'm sure you guys can understand. And it's, if you don't stay on top of it, you're going to be sitting in here. Literally, I probably spent like a good 3 hours one weekend doing this and cleaning her room and the bathroom. And it's just so much time. And I need to go through these baskets too. So these are the smaller size of the other ones that I have. Just like random things like notebooks. I found a rock collection. Just so many random things that are years old that she doesn't even look at or use. So it's good to just make sure you're going through things and not just having clutter and junk. I feel like so much of my stress and like anxiety is impacted by my surroundings. It just makes me feel like so cluttered in my mind, which is why I always try to push myself to clean and declutter, because it's a weight off my shoulders and it's just like a breath of fresh air. You just feel so much better. All right, at this point, I'm halfway there. So now I'm just going to be making the bed, putting clothes away. I have to organize that pile of leotards over there in the back. And I'm going to make 2 piles. One is going to be for clothes and stuff that I'm going to be giving to Goodwill. And then the other pile is going to be for clothes that I'm going to be giving to like friends or family. It's crazy how quickly kids grow out of things. I swear, I just bought both of these boots, I want to say like last year, and I don't even know that she got to wear the snow boots, and now they're too small. So I think I'm going to probably try to sell those on like Marketplace or like LetGo or something for like $10, something super cheap, even like the snowsuit, because people will buy it. They don't want to spend full price on items, you know, when there might only be like one snowstorm. So if you have any gymnasts or dancers, I like to use a hanger with clear shower hooks, and I'll just put like a couple of leotards on each hook, and I found that's the best way to save space and store the leotards, especially ones that have like rhinestones on them, or you know, you don't want to fold them up. So I just figured I'd share in case you're looking for a new organization method. Just going through now and sorting between the items that I'm going to be giving friends and family, and then the stuff that I'm going to bring over to the Goodwill for donation. Last piece of furniture I'm cleaning, and then I need to vacuum, and I gotta get underneath all the furniture because there's nothing but dust bunnies. Just want to give a quick before and after of the floor so you can see all of the dust, all of the crap that is just accumulated everywhere. Something that is so easy to do that I always put off doing is cleaning the windows. I guess because it's just time consuming, but it actually doesn't bother me. I think I might start to do it more. I'm going to dry this load of laundry, and then it is time to move on to the bathroom, which should be interesting. It is a pigsty. I haven't cleaned in there in a while. So first things first, I'm going to move everything off of the counter, put everything away that doesn't belong, and then start by cleaning the countertops. I love this stuff. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner. It's like a grime fighter, and I use it on everything. So I love it for cleaning the sink, and then I also love it for cleaning the bathrooms and like getting all the crap and grime off of the shower glass, and it smells really good too. So definitely check it out if you want to try out a new cleaner. I like to keep a bunch of sponges on hand. I really love the Scrub Mommy. It works great for cleaning because it has the soft side on one side and then the rougher, more abrasive side on the other side, and it even stiffens up depending on the temperature, which is great. So highly recommend those if you're looking for a good sponge. Now I'm just going through and organizing and decluttering any of the stuff that she's not using, anything that's old, and making room here. We have just so much stuff that's piled up throughout the last year. I feel like I'm always going in and reorganizing. If you have a tween that's starting a little makeup collection, I love these old school caboodles to keep their stuff in. Just brings me back to my childhood. The toilet definitely wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a mess, so I'm really happy about that.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
And this is the Clorox toilet wand if you're interested, and I will list and link to everything down below in the description like I always do, so you can easily find all of the cleaning products. Everything is decluttered and organized, all the garbage is out, everything is done. So now I'm just gonna vacuum and then use my Swiffer with the disinfectant. I like the Sentivia wipes, they're great. They don't leave the floor sticky at all, and they smell great, and they get all of the gunk off. I feel like a lot of time in the kids' bathroom, there's like globs of toothpaste on the floor, hairspray, all kinds of stuff. So they do a really good job at really getting everything up off the floor. And I always forget to do a before and after shot of everything all clean. So I am really sorry. Next time I'll remember to do it. But I hope you like this video. See you guys next week. Bye, guys.